Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best air chucks in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best air chucks that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Lumiteco 2-piece locking air chuck with hose. It's designed to screw in place of a valve stem, allowing you to use a simple locking chuck type instead. The locking design provides a tight seal and features a long lever that makes hooking it up and removing it extremely simple. One more thing that makes this a great option is that it has a 9-inch rubber hose with a braided nylon wrap. So, if your screw-on chucks are limited in reach, this will also solve that issue. The only drawback is that it's a specialty tool. If you don't have screw-on chucks, this has no value to you. Other than that, it does what it says, and the quality is there to designate it a decent tool. Moving on at number 4. We have the Jaco FlowPro tire inflator with pressure gauge. There's always room for over-engineering when it comes to tools. This offering from Jaco is far beefier than most. For one, it has a durable steel powder-coated body. That, in combination with the quality construction of all other components, work to guarantee it'll last a very long time in any shop. The large lever, swiveling lock-on chuck, and rapid air bleeder make this thing as easy to use as it is rigid. We should also note that it has a long 21-inch flexible hose to allow you to reach into particularly tight spaces. And if all that isn't enough, Jaco backs this unit with a 100% guarantee. Unfortunately, there are too many issues with the gauge's accuracy to ignore. Many reviewers report that the gauge is off. But the lifetime guarantee does work to help customers experiencing this on account of a factory defect. At number 3, we have the WYNNsky Air Compressor Kit. If you're just setting up, chances are you'll need more than an air chuck. What makes this entry so appealing is that it comes with virtually everything you need aside from an air compressor. The air chuck it comes with is a dual-head design that allows you to tackle pretty much any valve stem. It also comes with the fittings and couplers necessary to hook it up to the included air hose. Other than that, you also get a tire pressure gauge, an air cleaning tool, and a range of attachments allowing it to perform other tasks. And don't worry, it is a total package, but it runs for a very competitive price. Unfortunately, the quality is questionable, as you might expect. The hose seems to be the weakest link, but users do claim some other parts are short-lived. Still, it's a decent kit to start up with and will work fine for light use. At number 2, we have the Milton S506 original dual-head chuck tire inflator. As we know, Milton is in the game of making more than simple tools. This particular entry takes things up a notch by providing you a complete tire inflator setup, not just a chuck. There are a few things that'll put this in your crosshairs too. First off, it's a quality piece assembled right here in the USA. It features a dual-head chuck that allows you to approach a valve stem at any angle you need to and has a built-in valve that allows you to control airflow. As if that isn't enough, it's also got a built-in gauge that enables you to monitor air pressure so that you don't have to rely on separate tools. The gauge is a great touch, but it is a little hard to read. It's just a bit too small for many. Even so, that doesn't exactly hold this product back. And finally at number 1, we have the AstroAI heavy-duty closed flow lock on air chuck. There's a lot to like about this particular option. Right out of the gate, we should highlight that the price is excellent for 2 quality air chucks. Price isn't everything, though. As for the basics, these are closed flow chucks that feature a locking device to keep it secured to the valve stem as you work. The locking mechanism I paired with a large lever makes it extremely easy to use. It's a straight-on design that uses quality brass components, allowing these chucks to handle up to 250 psi. These chucks also have 1/4-inch female NPT threads that accept a wide range of air fittings, allowing them to use it independently or as an extension for an air inflator. The good news is that these chucks hit the mark, and there's very little to complain about if anything. However, this setup does not come with air fittings, which isn't noted. Therefore, you need to be sure to purchase air fittings so you can put them to use. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.